Amur falcon, Amur falcon, Amur falcon. Since last 15 days, bird watching and wildlife photography related forums over social media are getting flooded with photographs of Amur falcon only. Bird watchers and photographers in Maharashtra and now from other states are also going crazy to observe and photograph Amur falcons at Lonavala. I am Shantanu Kuiskar, and now I am here at Lonavala Lake, taking you all with me to observe and to know more about this trending falcon. Let's have a look. Famous Amur falcon of Lonavala. Amur falcon, Falco amurensis, is a small raptor of the falcon family which is popularly known for annual migration cycle. They are known to be one of the world's greatest long-distance travelers. They travel in large flocks from their breeding grounds in southeastern Siberia and northern China via India, crossing the Arabian Sea to southern Africa. 22,000 kilometers of journey, known to be the longest sea crossing of any raptor. During October, Amur falcons arrive in large numbers in Nagaland and few other places in northeastern India. Because of such massive gathering of Amur falcons, India's Nagaland is known to be the falcon capital of the world. Male-female can be easily differentiated. Males are characteristically dark sooty grey above with rufous thighs and vent, where females are duller grey above and their white underparts are well marked with dark chevrons. The combination of reddish-orange eye-ring, cere, and feet distinguishes them from all the other falcons. Amur falcons forage for a wide range of insects in the air or on the ground. They are mostly seen eating grasshoppers and caterpillars at Lonavala Lake. Typically, they capture most of their prey in flight, sometimes by hovering, but they also pick prey by alighting on the ground. They take small birds, mammals, and amphibians to feed their young ones in their breeding range. Now go for any bird.
And see
Male,
it.
female. Ha,
But
see,
then
yes, yes,
I have
yes.
to.
You have to set the focus point only, sir.
Yeah, that's all. Now
See,
start to.
if the bird is here, you have to focus it
that's
here.
all. Okay.
You have to focus it
okay,
here.
Okay. And let me try out and see.
Yes, yes, yes. Now try.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Where are you from?
Yes, I'm from Mangaon, sir, Raigad district.
Right.
Over field at Lonavala Lake, while tracking Amur falcons, I met some wonderful people and some of my birdwatcher friends from Pune, Mumbai, and Chennai. Some from Karnataka and Gujarat too.
Yeah, it's sitting here.
Okay.
One second.
Give me the mic. Yeah, I just saw it.
Lonavala seemed to be much better option than Nagaland to observe Amur falcons for many bird watchers and photographers. It is the main reason people are crazily visiting Lonavala Lake to see these falcons from different parts of Maharashtra as well as from the other states of India. At the end, according to what I saw, just a small request to people who are visiting Lonavala Lake to observe these falcons as well as lesser kestrels, Eurasian sparrowhawk, Shaheen falcon also. Please be there with proper bird watching ethics. Take guidance from seniors over field if possible. Birds are bold. This does not mean that you can do anything and the birds don't mind. I also request experts over the field to aware people in good manner, as I see newcomers are being a bit of impatient but nothing else. Bird watching and photography is not a race, competition or politics. It's just pure fun. So enjoy it in proper manner. Also, I hope you all enjoyed observing these Amur falcons to my short documentary film. Feel free to share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. And as always, stay tuned for the next one.